In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can embed your Calendly to your Shopify website. Alright, so this is really easy to do. And the first step is that we want to copy our Calendly link. So embed link, and you can find it if you open scheduling on the left side. And you will open those three dots over here. You can click on add to website. And from here, you can add three different options. So let's say you have pop-up text, you have pop-up widget, or you have also inline embed. So add a scheduling page to your site. So if I choose this first option and I will click on continue, this is going to generate this embed code, which we need to paste in our Shopify. So you can copy it and you can also customize it. So let's say if you want to hide cookie bar or hide page details, you can change that as well. You can also change the color. And I will keep it on the white because the red is not going to look like. So I will keep it on white. Then you want to copy the code. And in the Shopify, you want to go to your website. So from here, you want to go to Themes and you want to edit theme. And now if you are in your website in Shopify, you want to click on Add Section. And you want to search for Custom Liquid. So it's this option. And now it should display this window on the right side, this liquid code. And you want to paste the code from this Calendly, which you copied, and just paste it here. And this is going to embed your Calendly. So now we can, let's say, test it. And I'm going to choose this test. So now we can test it if everything works. So let's say I will choose this test meeting. And now I should be able to pick the date for the meeting. So let's say I can do 20 at Friday and 10 a.m. Then next, and then you just have to fill all your credentials like name, email, and then you want to schedule event. Now, if you want to remove it, you can click on the trash icon. And let's say we can also embed the specific meeting. So let's say I only want to embed this test meeting. So I can click three dots next to it. Add to website, and let's say we can choose pop-up widget for now. Click on continue. I'm going to copy the code and again custom liquid. And in the right side paste the link and it should create this pop-up window. As you can see, it's over here. It's very small. Schedule time with me powered by Calendly. So if I open it, it should give you option to create meeting, right? So you can see it's working and you can schedule a meeting like this as well. And this is basically all for this video. So this is how you can embed your Calendly in your Shopify website. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.